Hi, this is Kyle and Scotty with Western Material Handling. Today we're here to test drive stock number D21145C. It's a 1981 Yale GP050. This is a 5,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. Scotty's going to give us a demonstration real fast. There's the tilt function. And there's the side shift. Going to run it on up for us. It's equipped with a 174-inch triple stage mast. This unit does have side shift. Has good air pneumatic drive tires and great solid pneumatic steer tires. Good running LP gas engine with an automatic transmission. This unit has had a recent PM service with a recent paint job and recent repairs. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. There's the side shift action again. We appreciate you for watching. Thank you.